Hi, welcome to Tech Tools. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on the reshared feature on WhatsApp. The reshare feature on WhatsApp is a new feature that enables you share someone else's status update as your own on your status. Just like I'm doing here, I was able to reshare Sammy's status to my own WhatsApp status as mine. Wow, this is so sweet. You can as well edit the caption and do some other edits, like music, cropping, import stickers, fonts, and even the pencil. So watch video till end as I walk you through how to enable the reshare option and allow your contacts to share your status to theirs. But before then, I want you to leave a comment below with the word "Show Me" in comment section. Subscribe also and share this video to your friends. Let's get started. Open your WhatsApp. Click on the Updates section. At the top right, you should see 3 dotted icons. Click on them. Next, click on Status and Privacy. You can see the option with Allow Sharing. If yours is off, toggle it on. By doing that, you've allowed other contacts to share your status to theirs. If this video helped you, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let us know what video you want us to make next in the comment section. Check description as well for related videos.